This is how you rewire your mind while you sleep. Every night you close your eyes. You think you're just resting, but something powerful is happening inside your brain. While your body sleeps, your subconscious mind is wide awake, listening, learning, and believing every thought you feed it. So instead of letting fear, doubt, or stress run the night shift, take control. Use bedtime to reprogram your mind with powerful affirmations. These are not wishes. They are commands to your subconscious. And over time, they become your reality. Here's how to use sleep affirmations the right way. First, right before you sleep, close your eyes. Say these words slowly, clearly, and with feelings. Believe them like they're already true. Repeat every night for 21 days. That's how long it takes to rewire your mind. Here are 4 powerful sleep affirmations. I am worthy of success, love, and money. Say this until you feel it. Your mind will start acting like it's true. Every day, I grow stronger, smarter, and more confident. Your brain hears this and starts making it happen. I attract good opportunities and good people. Your subconscious begins to notice, pull in, and create chances. I am in control of my life. I make things happen. No more victim thinking. You become the boss of your destiny. You just need 3 to 5 minutes before bed. That's all it takes to change your mindset, your habits, and your life. Because what you say at night, your mind believes by morning, and your life follows. Tonight is your first night. No more waiting. Close your eyes and speak to your future self. Now whisper these words. Believe them, and wake up closer to the life you want.